Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. So today we are going to learn about how to use Tailwind CSS in React.js. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to go with the installation of the npm install Tailwind CSS in your project. Okay, so make sure you have to install first this one, any of your React project. Okay, after the installation, you have to add npx Tailwind CSS init.p. Okay, after this, you will get two files like here. No, this is not that one. So let me go with my custom modal Tailwind. Okay, so let me open with the code. After doing this one, these two files come up. Okay, that is here post config css, and the next one is where we have our customization Tailwind config. So here in the content, you have to add whatever you have the file in the source, then JS, JSX, TS, and TXS. Okay. After adding this, okay, after this, we have to go with the index.css, and here you have to add like this: add the tailwind base, add the tailwind components, add the tailwind utilities. After adding this, go to your app.js file. Let's rest of that files we are going to close it. Okay, and here I'm just commenting this one. I'm writing a simple code of that one. Okay, so that we have, after doing this, we have a small code where we have written out the tailwind css part. Okay, here we go with the tailwind style and the div, that is that one. Okay, and let's see all the styles are coming up or not. Let's go to the terminal and npm start. Okay, and here we are going with the this one. Okay, so here you can see that the style sheet is applied successfully, and this is the Tailwind CSS. Okay, so we have successfully integrated the Tailwind CSS with the your application React. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.